In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WhatsApp video backup from Google Drive. We will walk through it slowly so you can safely clear space without surprises. On your computer, open the Google One WhatsApp Backup Management page. This is a special page made just for WhatsApp backups. When it loads, the screen is simple, focused on backups linked to your Google account, not all your Drive files. Next, sign in to the Google account that contains your WhatsApp backup. Make sure this is the same account you used on your phone with WhatsApp. If you use several accounts, check the email at the top right so you do not delete the wrong backup. Once you are signed in, find the WhatsApp backup. You should see an entry labeled WhatsApp or WhatsApp backup with a size showing how much space it uses. As a small tip, if you had multiple phones, you might see more than one backup, each usually tagged with a device name or date. From there, click Delete Backup. As soon as you click it, Google One will highlight that backup entry as being removed. You are not freeing space yet, but you are telling Google you want that specific WhatsApp data gone from Drive. After that, confirm the deletion. A confirmation box appears, explaining that removing this backup from Google Drive is permanent. When you accept, the backup entry disappears from the list, and your Drive storage amount will drop by the size of that backup within a short time. Now, if you only care about videos taking up space, it is better to stop including them in future backups. Google notes that videos usually consume most of the storage in a WhatsApp backup, especially long clips and status forwards. So we will adjust WhatsApp first, then clean up the old backup. On your phone, open WhatsApp. When it opens, you should see your usual chat list. Wait for it to fully load so the menus respond smoothly, especially on older phones. Next up, go to You, then Chats, then Chat Backup. The You section is the one with your profile photo and name. Inside Chats, look for Chat Backup, which shows when your last backup ran and where it is stored, Google Drive or local. At this point, turn off Include Videos. There is a simple switch for Include Videos, and when you disable it, WhatsApp will back up only your messages, photos, and other media, but no videos. Many people do this to keep backups much smaller and faster to upload on slow connections. With that ready, tap Backup Now to create a new backup without videos. You will see the backup progress bar start and then finish on that same screen. As soon as it completes, your Google Drive now holds a fresh WhatsApp backup that excludes videos. You can then delete the old Google account backup using the same Google One backup page you used earlier. That older backup is the one still containing the large video files, so removing it frees the most space while you keep the new, lighter backup. Before you do any of this, remember one key warning. Deleting the WhatsApp backup from Google Drive permanently removes that exact backup. If you later change phones or reinstall WhatsApp, you will not be able to restore chats from that deleted backup. Also, removing a backup does not stop WhatsApp from creating new ones, which is why changing the Include Videos setting and making a fresh backup is so useful. You have now deleted your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive and set WhatsApp to back up again without heavy videos. If this helped you clean up your WhatsApp storage, please give the video a quick thumbs up. And if you want more simple guides like this, feel free to subscribe.